Good morning. Yes, it's Elaine's birthday today, and we've had 5 days of glorious weather, and today's a little different. So we've wrapped up, and we're going to head into Keswick for your birthday. Right. Let's go. Beautiful morning for ducks. Sun's the day up really, wet. We've been able to park up in Keswick for free. We're going to have a wander around. So we're going to have a wander around Keswick and have something to eat on Elaine's birthday. Wainwright Pub. We don't serve fast food, just good food, as fast as we can. Love it. We've decided it's hammer it down, so we're going to have something to eat in the Wainwright. Amazing lunch at the Wainwright. Let's head on out. We are venturing out this morning, planning to do a walk. It's trying its hardest not to rain, so we're going to try our hardest to go for a walk.
Right, we're driving to Whinlatter Forest today in the rain, and we don't really want to pay the parking, so we're going to try and find some road parking just yonder. We're just going to carry on a little bit and see if we can get some free parking.
So Whinlatter isn't one of the largest Wainwrights. I think it's hovering around the 160 mark. But I believe it's somewhere in that direction, amongst the trees and the mist. Mr. Gruffalo heading into the mist. Steady Eddie all this way. We've come to this gate, and now we're going to make a steady ascent up here. It's for about 150 feet. The tricky bit will be coming back this way, but if we try and avoid these rocks, we should be alright. So, we've reached the top, but it's still about 0.75 of a mile to the actual peak. The path's well laid out, thank goodness. It's just the visibility today is not good in either direction. See some people ahead. Some more mad idiots this morning wants to do this. That's disappeared. Somehow made it through there. It's 0.48 of a mile in that direction. Apparently Whinlatter has two tops. One's official, one's not. So we're going to make sure we do both. Touch this one just in case. And we're continuing for another third of a mile at least this way to find the other one. The official Wainwright Whinlatter is still in this direction. It would be further away, wouldn't it? This is the top of Whinlatter, the Wainwright. Not going to be much of a view up here, I have to say. But the top's good. Liking the top. Nice wall.
Apparently, there's a great view of Bristol Pike from here.
Oh, sure there is.
I don't know where it is. Mad.
So, is this the best Wainwright to do in rainy weather? Possibly. Possibly not. But it wasn't a high one, so we thought we'd give it a go. Guess what I found? I Spy book. I've not seen one of them in years. I Spy Trees.
So today it was raining again, so we drove to the Whinlatter Forest Park. Didn't park in the car park because that would have cost £10. We found a little space in the lane and then we walked up through the forest tracks and we went to Whinlatter. So that's coloured that one in. So eventually we're going to have to go back and tackle Bath and these four. But at least we've bagged this one today.